I'm Brian Westbrook with GeekWire Studios here at AWS reInvent 2025. Joined now with Victor Baez, Senior Vice President of Cloud and Global Vendor Engagement at Ingram Micro. Now Victor, thank you for being here. We know of Ingram Micro as a big wholesaler, a major technology player, but now you have a major part in the AWS ecosystem. Set the stage, tell us about that.
Well, Brian, first of all, thank you very much for having us. AWS and us being part of the ecosystem is one of our most important tasks in the market. As you said, Ingram Micro is a distributor, we're global, we're in more than 50 countries. But in the AWS ecosystem, we play a role all through the entire chain. We enable partners, we help them scale, we help them build practices, we help them migrate, and more importantly, we help them manage customer workloads successfully in the cloud environments.
And one of the customers that you really help partner with is the small to medium business, the SMBs, if you will, but you're helping them scale intelligently, not only through modernization, but also AI. Tell us about some of those products and how you do that.
Well, Brian, as I said, we're in more than 50 countries. Our partnership with AWS is very global. As we heard today, AWS is going a massive transformation. We're very honored to have won the Distributor of the Year award one more time. This is the fourth time that we win it. And what we've been doing successfully together with AWS is enabling, helping AWS go to market faster, helping SMBs scale in a friendly and a very simple manner with enterprise-grade outcomes. And today, the most important buzzword is agentic AI. How do they make good use of the agentic AI so they can be more successful?
Yeah, and what role does that play in transforming and really modernizing these SMB partners and SMBs?
Well, SMBs are looking for outcomes very much like everybody else, right? So when you think about, can they invoice faster?
Yeah.
Can they automate their business? Can they grow their business faster? Can they leverage the telemetry that's out there? That's our mission, is to help SMBs through our platforms be more and more successful.
And what are some of the products that you're offering to SMBs to help them make that leap? It seems very daunting. It seems like I'm not an enterprise. I don't have a team focused on that. How do I get into there? How do I contact Ingram and really just dive in?
Well, first of all, our true customer is the partner that is in touch with the SMBs. So we provide them all sorts of augmentation services. We hold all the competencies that you need to be successful, so they don't need to make that massive upfront investment. We perform some of the services on their behalf so they can focus more of their energy on being that consultant, trusted advisor to the SMB and help the SMBs maximize the use of technology.
What are some of the things you're hearing back from the partners that you're helping enable sell through to their SMB clients? What are they saying? What are they appreciating? What are they getting out of these services that you're offering?
Well, one of the buzzwords that's been going on in the industry for a while is FinOps.
Yeah.
How do I make the best out of my cloud spend? I know cloud is very good for my business, but how do I really understand what I'm consuming, how I can optimize that spend? Yeah. So we just announced a partnership with DoIT to actually take that practice all the way down to SMBs at scale and global, right? That's one of the key things that SMBs are looking for. How do I maximize my investment in cloud with AWS?
And helping leverage the relationship that they already have with Ingram to sell through those products to build upon that. That's incredible. Let's talk about Xvantage. How does it enhance AWS Marketplace really to accelerate partner success and help them grow?
Well, remember, Brian, it's all about giving that enterprise level outcome with SMB simplicity. That's what it comes down to. So Xvantage has an integration with the AWS Marketplace where our partners can manage marketplace transactions on behalf of their customers at scale.
Okay.
Without having to list everything individually in the marketplace, they have all the data that they need in order to maximize, again, that efficient consumption workload on behalf of their customers.
So they're acting as the IT department, if you will. They're acting
Absolutely.
as the cloud manager on behalf of, looking at the dashboard, saying, you need this, you need that. You mentioned the FinOps, sort of taking that even to the AWS Marketplace level.
We are, because it's what our customers are asking us to do. Make it simple for me, but give me that enterprise-grade outcome.
That's incredible. Thank you so much for the time. Victor Baez, Senior Vice President of Cloud and Global Vendor Engagement with Ingram Micro. I'm Brian Westbrook with GeekWire Studios, and thanks for watching.